Hello guys, I'm HRCL and here today I'm going to show how to use extrude and revolve command in this video. Okay, so are you ready? So as I already entered in the Annex 11, now we will enter into a 2D workspace. So now we are entered in a 2D workspace, right? So first of all, to create a 3D model, we need a 2D sketch, right? So here we now, yeah, we will go for the easy one at first, right? So in sketch, I have drawn a rectangular, right? A rectangle. You can see that this is it. So first of all, we will go for the extrude command. Here is it. So by using extrude command, you can swap a sketch into a solid body, right? So basically it is a command which converts the 2D sketch into 3D model, right? Okay, so we will see how it works. So you can select or activate the extrude command by clicking on it or by using a shortcut key X, right? Okay, so we will press X, right? So it says select curve, means select the sketch or the curve which you want to extrude. So basically there are four methods which are generally used to select the curve. First of all is single curve. Okay, by selecting single curve, we have to select these four curve one by one, right? After that we can extrude it. We will see another method, right? Connected curves. By using connected curves, it select the whole group of curves by single click. You can see that, right? Okay, and the third one is region boundary curves. By this command, you can select a particular region. See, like this. You can see that, right? Wait a minute. Okay. See, by little redness, it shows that this region is selected, right? So here it is. Okay. By holding this arrow, you can decide the swept length, right? Or by providing the distance, for example 100 mm, right? And we applied it. So by this sketch we have created this solid block. Okay, so it was a simple one. We will go for a little complex shape, right? Okay, so let's see. First of all, we will go for single curve, right? So we will enter 20 mm, right? By here entering 20 mm, it will extrude 20 mm only, right? By this arrow, yeah, you can see this. By this arrow you can reverse the direction of the extrude, and by this you can select in which direction you want to extrude, right? XC, YC, ZC, negative XC, negative YC, and negative ZC. Okay, depending upon your requirement. Okay, so we will provide 20, right? It is done, and here we will go for the none. Okay, and we will apply it. So it is extruded. Now we want to extrude this part, okay, above this face, right? So there is a start distance, right? Generally it is not used. I mean to say it is used upon your requirement. It will start the extrude 20 mm, around 20 mm, the value you have which entered above this value. From this value this will start extrude. For example, we have entered 20, so after 20 mm from the selection phase this will start the extrude. So for example, if you want to extrude this portion, right, this portion 20 mm, so we have entered the value 20. That means from this phase it will leave 20 mm, then it will start the extrude. So if you want this section 20 mm, you have to enter the value, first of all start value 20, and then you have to enter the section value which you want, right? I am trying to say first of all 20, right, and then these 20. Okay, so total 40. If you want to unite this section, select unite, and automatically the NX has selected the body, that with this body this section will unite, right? So apply it. Now I want to subtract these two section from this body, right? So I will do it. Okay, so I have entered the value. Now I will, as I have to subtract, so I will select the subtract boolean, right? As the NX has already selected the body, right? Okay, from these the section will be subtracted. So you can see that. Okay, this is how you can do it, and you can use the extrude command in this manner, right? Okay, so now we will go for the revolve command, right? Revolve command. Revolve can be used by clicking this arrow. Here it is, right? As you click on this arrow, a menu is dropped down and revolve is unable to see. It is a command which creates a solid surface by revolving a sketch around a rotational axis, right? How is this work? We will see. So now, right, we will see it. First of all, we have to enter in a 2D workspace. Yeah, we have entered it. For example, if you want to create a pulley, right, a pulley which is generally used in a machine tool, for example lathe or any other machine, right, where you want to transmit a power, so we will design a pulley, right, right. So we have made it. Okay, so can you believe it? By this section I'm gonna make the pulley, right? So let's see how I'm gonna do it. First of all, activate the command revolve. Select the curve, right, which you want to make revolve around the revolving axis. Okay, I have selected this curve, so the whole curve is selected, right? Specify a vector, means around what is the vector of your revolving axis. This means if you want to make a pulley, this sketch need to be revolved in this direction, right, in this direction. So I will select this vector. So now it says specify a point. So I will, you can select this, you can select this point, this point, also this point. I will select this point, and I will apply it. So as you can see, the pulley is made within a 2 minutes, right? As if you know the section, you can create a 3D model of a pulley within 2 to 3 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy the video. The next video will be uploaded soon, and the next video will give you more idea about 3D modeling. This is HRCL. Have a nice day.